Hello, everybody. Welcome to Go for Green Living and Green Hippies. Yes, peace. Ruth is going to give us a demonstration on how to freeze dry candy. Right now, she is cutting Jolly Ranchers. The last time we did Jolly Ranchers, they were way too big. So they need to be cut. This is a cool little trick on how to cut them.
Hi y'all. So I just wanted to show you how I figured out how to do this. So first of all, it's everything to do about getting what you want to put in your mouth, right? So like you said, the other ranchers were too big. So I found this cutting tool and it's really sharp. So I'm doing all these mistakes so you don't have to do them. Clean your cutting tool carefully. Okay, so these are really hard. So what you do, you just hold it in the paper and you do like that. So the reason that I'm doing them in the bowl, right, and not directly on the tray, can you show them, Danielle? Why not?
It causes little bitty fragments.
Yeah, we don't want those. And then we just place them like the Skittles there. They can be just a mess. These we put like a little bit, like an inch or something between.
Now, the settings, we are already past the setting, but we had to put it on candy mode, and I'm going to have to show you that in a separate little section. But right now we're ready to load the trays. See, it says load the trays. It's ready to make candy.
Okay, so it's still very early on the homestead. So Daniel went to make the coffee. I'm just going to show you a little bit about how much this is. So one Jolly Rancher is cut in 3 pieces, and the last ones were a little bit smaller. So from one bag of Jolly Ranchers, actually maybe 1 1/3 because I had some leftovers from before, makes a whole tray. You see, I have one more tray that I haven't done yet. So we're going to test dry our first batch of saltwater taffies. So let me add them on for you first, and then let me load this. Because now it says it's ready to go. Close the drain valve. Very important. So now we close the drain valve. So exciting. Okay, now we're making the coffee. Okay, hard. Okay. Try again. So we're gonna load the taffies in the thing. Let me do that again without talking. I'll leave that. Or you. It's freezing. So this is how they look for now. We just pop them in at 145 degrees for 5 hours. You should have seen that. The door just swung open when it was closed, when it was done.
Yes.
Okay, so we're very curious. Oh, the trays are really warm yet. They should not be warm. That's a sign that it's...
It should...
Let's see. Okay.
Wow.
I tried a Jolly Rancher. That was good. How was that one?
That was really, really good.
The saltwater taffy?
Yes, saltwater taffy is really good.
Okay.
Yes, Jolly Ranchers.
And we are already set for the next batch, right? We have the apples
But it's nice to, oh, I don't know what happens to some of these. Most of them were okay. Okay, that's it. So these are the ones we did now. We did the saltwater taffies, the Jolly Ranchers, and Skittles. And next time, we're gonna do banana and apples.